After that, you have to add my secret. 1, 2, 3. Put your spatula down here and add your carrots. Oh, my hand. Hi, today I'm going to cook adobo for kids. Here are the ingredients. Chicken, it's the breast part. Kids love the breast part because it's soft and it doesn't have bones. If you're cooking adobo for adults, there's bones in your chicken. So yeah, here is the raw potato and the raw carrot and some bell pepper and all the other ingredients. Here we have pink salt. It's actually Himalayan salt. You can get from Himalayan rock salt is good. Here are the ingredients: sodium chloride, potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, copper, and manganese. We have to cook the vegetables. First you put the oil. Put it in the pan slowly. Put the garlic. Then we add the potatoes. After 1 minute, put your spatula down here and add your carrots. Oh, my hand. Then keep on sauteing your carrots and potatoes. Then you let it simmer. And add the cover or something, I don't know. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Then you have to add the pepper on the side. Be careful, kids, because oil might splash onto your hand and it will hurt. So wear gloves. I know I should have said this on the beginning, but I forgot to say it. Wow, it looks good and it looks yummy. Some of your kids might not like pepper, but you can add just carrots and potato without the pepper. Oh. Then you have to set your vegetables aside on a plate or a bowl. Prepared for oil because I have a face shield. So add your oil, then add your onions. Then you saute it and add your chicken. This is where you're finally cooking your adobo. sauteing and add your soy sauce and vinegar. Because I have a secret for you, but now it's not a secret. I have a secret for how this tastes for children. It'll taste good. I have to learn grammar. Huh? What's that smell? That's the smell of my adobo. Then, when your adobo is already cooked and it's like brown, add your pink salt. And after you add your Himalayan pink salt, you should add Knorr's liquid seasoning. It's not open.
It's not open. I don't know how to open this.
I don't know how to open this. Okay. Knorr should sponsor me. I just keep using liquid seasoning. Why don't you sponsor me, Knorr? And after that, you have to add my secret. 1, 2, 3. I didn't see anything. Oh no! It's my secret. It's lemon. Then you should add some lemon. Okay, wait. After that, you should add your vegetables. Have to mix it. After you mix your vegetables with the adobo, cover it. You can smell it, but not through your screen, just me. I can smell it.
So my adobo tastes nice and it looks nice. So 1 year ago or something, I brought this to school and some of my classmates liked it. So yeah, you should eat it once it's not hot anymore. Also, don't overcook it or you have to repeat this whole video again.
This is good for your kids because it is made out of chicken breasts and other vegetables. Now I'm going to taste my adobo. It tastes really nice. You can eat it with rice or whatever. So yeah, you can bring this to school, anywhere, if you just put it in a plastic bag. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Bye! Why are you taking video? I'm okay.